Good day everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are looking at les activités quotidiennes niveau A1.1, part 2. I have a first video about it on my channel, you can look it up. So I'm going to start and I'll be reading the French part. Let's go, let's get right into it. 1. Se maquiller. 2. Préparer un repas. 3. Se raser ou s'épiler. 4. Dîner. 5. S'endormir. Let me take it again. 1. Se maquiller. 2. Préparer un repas. 3. Se raser ou s'épiler. 4. Dîner. 5. S'endormir. So we are going to move now to the second part of the activities, daily activities in French for level A1.1 and level A1. So if you're in that level is for beginners. So this is for you. So I'll be reading the French part. Let's get right into it. 1. Prendre un bain. Prendre un bain. 2. Se sécher les cheveux. 3. Se coucher. Se coucher. 4. Aller au travail. 5. Mettre un pull. I'm going to be taking it again. Make sure you're listening so that you can practice your pronunciation so that it will aid you in speaking correctly. Let me take it again. 1. Prendre un bain. 2. Se sécher les cheveux. 3. Se coucher. 4. Aller au travail. 5. Mettre un pull. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram page. Thank you.